Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to shorten URL in Linkvertise. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Linkvertise tutorials. Now head over to post and earn. After you successfully update to your Linkvertise dashboard, and head over to post and earn, shows link, type in next, paste your link. So click on next, and this must be not for start any other content here. So for example, let's add my page. So after that, you can copy this link and head over to shorten URL link and paste your Linkvertise URL here. If you click on shorten URL, this way you get your shorten URL Linkvertise. Now this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe.